Good morning and welcome to Casual Chef Kitchen. I'm Chef Matthew. It's Saturday morning. Robin and I actually got to sleep in. The cats did not bug us until 7:30-ish, 8. Yeah. And I got a big thumbs up from the in-studio audience about sleeping in. Actually, Robin slept in longer than I did. So last night, I did Chef Alex's hot dogs in puff pastry blanket with everything spice with a hot mustard sauce. It was good. It was fun. It was fun to try. Let's just say that. Well, I'll be doing it again because I still have hot dogs and I still have puff pastry. We'll see. Today and tonight, I'm going to be doing Pad Kee Mao, also known as Drunken Noodles. This is a recipe and interpretation by Amy Casey. She is one of the groups or pages that I share from. So I'll be doing that tonight. And for next week, I'm going to be starting with cowboy stew, then shrimp scampi with pasta. I'm doing city chicken, which is my recipe for city chicken with Parmesan roasted potatoes and stir-fried spinach with garlic and Parmesan. And the next day, crispy hash browns with smoked salmon, creme fraiche, and herbs. That is Chef Jeffrey Zazarian's recipe from the kitchen, and he's an Iron Chef. And the next night, I will be doing Thai chicken thighs with cilantro and lime rice. So let me show you what I got going on. We got the wok. The wok is out. Rice noodles, linguine style, chicken thighs, and part of the veggies is broccoli, red onion, some bell pepper, red and orange, a little bit of olive oil, which I know is not traditional Thai, but that's what I have. Garlic and ginger. I'm using a new product. I'm using ginger paste. You can find it in the fresh herb section of your grocery store. And for the sauce, we have oyster sauce, dark soy sauce, and I'm using shiraka for the heat. Now, I'm a student of Asian cuisine. I will probably be modifying this little recipe just because it is. Nothing, saying bad about Amy, but I'm going to probably change this just a little bit. In other words, I'm going to casual chef it. So, have a great Saturday, eat great food, and have fun cooking. Phenomena.